Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to visit FIVERR.com and click the Become a Seller button. This takes you to the registration process where you'll need to sign up with your email or social media account. Make sure you use a professional email address because this is what clients will see. Step 2. Next, you need to fill out your basic profile information. Add a clear profile picture of yourself, write a compelling bio that explains who you are and what services you offer, and make sure your username is professional and memorable. Step 3. Then, verify your identity and payment information. Fiverr requires you to confirm your email address and set up how you want to receive payments. You can use PayPal or their direct withdrawal system, so choose whichever works best for you. Step 4. Now it's time to create your gigs, which are the services you'll sell. Write clear gig titles and descriptions that include keywords so clients can find you easily. Set competitive pricing and be specific about what deliverables buyers will receive. Step 5. Finally, optimize your profile for success by adding portfolio work if you have it, requesting profile reviews from clients after completing orders, and regularly updating your gigs based on market demand. This helps you build credibility and climb the ranking system on the platform.